What's going on today, people? This your bro Crypto Cliff. Happy Sunday. Happy money making Sunday. Let's go ahead and get right to it. So today I want to show you guys a few things. I want to show you what consistency actually does. And I want to give you a few tools, a few tips you can use to become a successful futures trader. All right. Let me share my screen and show you. Let's go ahead and get started. Share my screen and show you what consistency looks like. All right. Now, I know you guys have seen me flip this coin multiple times, and there's a reason for that. So this is Link again. I've been sitting in Link. I've been sitting in Link for at least 4 days right now. And right now I'm up $13,371, you can see right here. All right, $13,371.29. Consistency wins the game when it comes down to futures trading. When you get into the futures market and when you become a successful futures investor or learn the skill set, come to me and learn the skill set how to become a successful futures investor. We're going to sit down and build out a plan for you. We're going to sit down and build out a structured plan that's going to help you become even more successful in this market. You see, most people like to dive into this market and really, really dive into it and try to trade everything. That's not the way you do the futures markets. What you need to do to become successful in this game is to first start off with a few coins, start off with a few pairs, master those pairs, learn those pairs. Never really master anything because you never want to be a master at anything. You always want to be a student to the market. Even today, I've been doing this over 12 years and I'm always a student to the market, a student of the markets. But you want to start off with a structured plan with one or two plays. Get familiar with those plays and then start adding on other plays once you've learned how to consistently pull funds, how to consistently write a check with that one play. The reason I use Link so much is because this is one of the plays that I go to when I know I can write a check from. I know I can write a check out of Link. I know I can set my parameters or set my structure my play the right way to where I can always consistently pull gains out of Link. So therefore, I'm more inclined to dive into this play. Right now, I'm up 468% on this play. And it's because I've consistently been trading this play. I've consistently been watching this play. I've consistently been trading this play so much that I know the background patterns of it. I know when it's going to rise. I know when it's going to fall. I know how to structure it out the right way. So when you want to become when you become a beginner investor, I'm not even gonna say want to because I have a lot of interest right now. A lot of people are interested in this market. So my slots are filling up extremely fast when it comes down to one-on-one teachings and when it comes down to building up a group course to do this as well too. So we have a group course dropping next week. Yes, I said it. I said it right. We have a group course starting next Saturday. A group futures trading course. A 4-week course starting next Saturday. So when you get into this course, I'm going to show you how to build this structure up. I'm going to show you how to prepare your chart for the longevity of the market so that you can ride the waves out and get profits like this. This is $13,000 in 4 days. Name another profession that will allow you to pull out $13,000 in 4 days. There aren't many. There's not many. But I'm going to teach you this skill set. I'm going to teach you how to ride the market wave this way. I'm going to teach you how to build your portfolio with premium coins, premium pairs in the futures markets. That's going to always consistently allow you to write your own check. So, with that being said, you always want to start off small. You always want to start off with one or two players. Never jump into anything trying to go full throttle. Always take your time and slowly walk your way into it. So, because when you slowly walk your way into building up a futures portfolio, you allow yourself the ability to really, really grasp the concept of everything. And you take the emotions out of the game. One of the biggest mistakes most investors make is they become emotionally invested into it. But slowly walking through, slowly watching the patterns of the play, slowly watching the markets will allow you to take your emotions out of the equation and think more logically in the markets. So, and that's what I'm going to teach you. My one-on-one students, they go full throttle in this market. From day one, they're learning how to do this. And this is their homework. Charting, reading plays, charting, reading plays, executing plays. That's the homework for my one-on-one students. And we analyze their markets every single class. And most of my students right now are at a 70 to 30 win to loss ratio. Now, just to give you some specifics on how good that is, the average stock investor, the stock investor who actually makes money in the stock market, their ratio is only 55-45. We're doing 70 and above. I have one student right now. I don't know what it is, but she can't lose. We went over the last 35 plays she got into. 35 plays that she got into, and she only lost 3 of them. And she's a brand spanking new student. We're converting people over into day traders. We're converting people over into regular people who've never traded this market before, who don't know anything about investing. We're converting them over into day traders in 5 to 6 weeks. That's what we do at the BBA. That's what I do in my teachings. I help change people's lives by allowing them to be the best version of, telling them to be the best version of themselves, giving them the skill set to be the best version of themselves. Because anybody and everybody can do this. Anybody and everybody can make $13,000 in 4 days. My oldest student was 84 years old, and she learned how to become an investor. Why can't you? It's time for us to get off that hamster wheel. It's time for us to stop being in the bottom of this totem pole, especially financially. When you have access to opportunities like this, you have access to people who are willing to teach you about the financial markets, who are willing to show you how to be the best version of you. You have to dive at those opportunities because these opportunities don't come around often. Eventually, I won't be around on Facebook. Eventually, I won't be accessible to people. We set up right now as we speak. Consistent for that wrong reason, but eventually, up so big. Eventually, people won't have regular access to me. Anybody outside inside of my network now will have access. Will have access to the coaches. But you have to learn how to jump at the opportunities when opportunities are right there in front of you. Procrastination is the killer of dreams and a slayer of goals. All right. So I want to jump in today to show you once again. You know, I'm all about showing improving. I'm all about showing improving. That's me. I'm gonna say it again. I'm all about showing improving. A lot of these other quote unquote gurus. I'm not a guru or mentor. A lot of these other mentors or gurus, they never show this side of the markets. They just show you the profits. I post my losses and my profits. They never show you the active movement in the market. This is actively moving right now. You notice these numbers never stopped. They're going up and going down. That's because this is an actual live chart. This is an actual live exchange. This is real $13,282, $390 sitting in this account right now. That I'm going to pull out eventually. I think I'm going to sit into it for a couple more days. We show improve everything because I want you to know that you can do this. I want you to know that you can analyze the markets the same way. I want you to know that you can get behind the tech the same way. I want you to know that you can become successful the same way. Let's get it, people. The Futures Group course starts next week. I'm gonna do something special for the first 10 people that sign up for the Futures Group course. We're gonna drop the price down to $399.97. The original price for that course was $599.97. I'm gonna drop the price down to $399.97 for the first 10 people that signed up. Wednesday, the price goes back to $599.97. Let's get it, people. Peace.